There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a
Like Beatles got the bass belly rolling. She thinks she love me. I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd please. Small world, all the friends know me.
Hi, so today is my off and officially getting into my new unit. Happy new month. This is the 1st of May and it's a public holiday. Since my new unit I was posted to is a clinic, we observe public holiday and I'll be resuming on a Monday, which means I have 2 more days to rest at home before resuming officially. So I'm going to farm. Yes, I'll be planting ginger. My mom and we got some like ginger from the north to plant here so that we can have enough to feed and also to sell. I mean, it's business. Farming is a very good business to have as, a side work, so you can make extra income from there. Let me show you around and the things we've harvested so far. Look at this pineapple from the farm. It's not ripe, it's little, but we have to uproot it. Let me show you what my hair looks like. My hair actually looks like this is how it's meant to be. I can put it at one side if I want, or I can take it to the other side if I want. So we just harvested these avocados from the farm. Just look at them. Some of them already started to get ripe on the tree, so we had to harvest them. This is the second set. We gave out the first set, we gave some out, we sold some out, and we ate some. These ones are a ton, we sold them. The apple tree, there are new apples coming out. Look at them, they're still growing.
What do you mean? Which was
Planting of ginger.
This is a new method of planting ginger. You have to space like 2.0 meter away from each other.
We are planting ginger. So next year, you have to book for your ginger. We have enough. We have like 3 beds.
3 beds.
That's the first one. That's the second. And this is the third. So from next year, you can book your ginger from
Book your ginger from Glory Farms.
Glory Farms. We have another pair of them.
Agro.
This is like mango.
Eh?
This is like
Ginger, we have big seedlings. Look at.
like a mountain.
That's our afang. Afang, that one is the moringa, banana and plantain. Then we have our pawpaw. Then we have a lot of pawpaw trees. This is coconut. This one is uziza or utasiabi. They use it for okra soup. Then we still have our papaya, more coconut, and afang.
Worship in spirit and truth. The light.
Happy Sunday. Okay, so I had to go and dry clean my uniform because I'm posted to clinic. Yay! We're going to ENT Clinic now and we'll be making use of gowns and cap instead of scrubs. So I've picked up my dry cleaned gown. And I'm just coming back from church, so I have a lot to do. I need to do a lot of editing before going home. Because, there are a lot of ongoing meetings that are taking place. So I have to wait so I can go home.
Wanna take time to just stay at 5. Been a long while since I've been back to the place that raised me. And if it's okay, I'll just say.
Hi guys, so this week I've been on internship at the ENT Clinic. Mondays and Tuesdays are our clinic days. We start by receiving patients, checking their vitals, documenting their complaints, and then they will be sent to the consulting rooms to see the consultant or the registrar. If treatment involves syringing or ear irrigation, they come to us in the syringe room. And yes, I get to the ear irrigation too. The Wednesday is our booking day. All the patients scheduled for surgery with their items in preparation for Thursday. Thursday is theater day. That's when all the surgeries happen. Then Friday is like a review day. The surgeons review patients, take care of them till discharge. My sister fell seriously ill and it was my day off, so I had to stay and take care of her at the hospital where she was admitted in. We also remind patients to bring their ice cream, keep it in the fridge and enjoy it after surgery on the doctor's advice. This is the otoscope. It's used. So, it's used to check the inside of the ear. Speculums. Oral speculums. This is our surgery. When you wash the ear, you wash the ear, you gather the ear and pack. And for those who doesn't know what ENT means, it means ear, nose, and throat, not ear, nose, and teeth. Ear, nose, and throat clinic. We went on strike for 2 days, and this is after the strike. So this is me washing and clearing the instruments for use for the following day.
You guys guess who's driving? So they drive Lena Skilo. Sorry.